Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just want to share with you how to get moisture off your windows and generally how to reduce the humidity in your home. As you'll see, humidity in my place at the moment is about 57. I was having trouble with damp and mold because obviously when I turned my heating down and had it at about 18 Celsius, it could have been a bit higher and help with the mold and with the damp and so on. But we don't want to have our heating too high in our house, and I'm sure you don't either. So here's a few hacks on how to get the moisture off the window, how to reduce humidity in the house. Okay, one of the methods is obviously to have your heating on at least 18 Celsius. Also, when you see windows like this, so when they're like got a lot of moisture, it's good to have good ventilation in the room so doors not shut, and also at points open up the windows and let the moisture vent. Another thing you can do is you can buy these dehumidifiers, and as you can see you can put them on the window, and there's a good hack on these. So I've removed the metal foil cap and then put the lid on, but once these do get full up, instead of buying another one because they can start becoming a bit expensive, that you can pierce a hole in the small hole in here, a small hole, and then replace it with salt. You can fill it up with table salt. So here, how to basically recycle them and reuse them again by pouring salt in. It's a no-brainer really. Just put a slight hole in here, you empty what water is left in there, and then you replenish inside here with salt, and then it's good to go. And then this will eventually, the salt will eventually get rock hard, and instead of you having to buy one of these again and again, you can just recycle it. Another thing is to basically dry the windows down, damp them down in the morning with a cloth, get the moisture off. And then once you've done that, use a dry cloth and put a drop of fairy liquid, just a drop of fairy liquid. You don't have to do this every day. It's just a one-off. You can put a drop of fairy liquid on. The fairy liquid is meant to prevent the moisture resting on the windows. I hope that video has helped you, because in case mold is building up. And another quick thing to tell you about mold: a good killer of mold is either vinegar or bleach. They're good for getting rid of mold. So when it's on the walls and so on, use that and scrub it away, and don't let it build up because it's not good for your health. All right, thank you for joining me. I hope this video has helped. Until next time, please leave comments in the section below. Bye.